Okay. Let's open it.
Can you open it? Can you open my present?
You can open it.
Maybe he needs a little help.
I need a little help.
Okay, you want to rip? You want to rip the side? Pull that up.
What
That's
is
it. Go get it.
What is it? Whoa. This is stone, Mama.
Tear that paper off.
Opening it.
Get rid of the paper. Rip, rip, rip. That's your favorite part.
What is it?
It's, let's see if it out of the package.
Is it chocolate?
No chocolate.
What is it?
It's a turtle that put stars on the ceiling.
On the ceiling?
Yeah, Mama's gonna need scissors.